First, we're going to start off by using this cone and spear that I got from Michael's. Also, we're going to be using some toothpicks, some scissors, and fondant for decoration. Okay, let's get started. So first, we're going to start off by making the body. First, we're going to cut off this cone at the top. And I'm just going to make sure this fits his head. Then I'm going to curve out the top of the cone just to make it look more like a neck. After I have my cone shape, I rubbed it down with some shortening, and now I'm going to wrap it with some blue fondant. Then I'm going to smooth it out and cut off all the excess. Next, I'm going to wrap my spear. Covering the spear in fondant can be very tricky, so just take your time and you should be fine. Then we're just going to make a mouth by drawing a line halfway across and completing a half circle for the mouth. After we pull that out, I'm going to fill it up with black fondant. Next, I'm going to work on the legs. I started off by making a log, then I bent it at the end. I'm going to press down the foot. Then, using my sculpting tool, I'm going to make impressions for the toes. Cookie Monster doesn't really have toes, so if you want to skip this part, it's okay. After I was done with this, I just set it to the side and let it dry. Then, for my arms, I'm going to roll out a log again, and I'm going to pinch at the wrist and then make fingers with my sculpting tool. Then set aside. I'm going to be making fur by distressing the fondant using a star tip. You simply just rough the fondant by pulling it in any direction using your star tip. But you want to be careful to not show your styrofoam, so don't rip it up too much. I'm not going to lie to you guys, this process takes a lot of patience. Almost finished. Okay, I'm done with the body. Now I'm just going to cut off the excess and work on the head. After I finish the head, I'm going to work on the arms, making my fur go all the way down to his fingers. Last, I'm going to attach the legs and distress them also. I let everything dry out for a couple days, then I came back to attach the head and added the eyeballs. Last, I attached the arms. And voila, my cake topper was done. I ended up wanting more fur from him, so if you agree, go check out my part 2 of this video to see how I finished off this cake. Thanks for tuning in, you guys. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.